Jackson Care's interest in what we wanted to do here in West Medford is what's spurred us on to be able to do what we've done.
Well, what they do is they give us showers Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and they do all our laundry for us right there, which is just a big plus right there. Okay, now this is a trailer right here. These two doors here are for the showers right here, and then right around the corner is where they do our laundry. The majority of us are trying to better our lives, and we go out here in society and stuff, and we can be clean and we can have presentable clothes and feel better about ourselves all together.
These people that I have talked to and I've come to know, they feel like that society does not want them. They feel like they're truly outcast, and they're not. They're just like you and me and everyone else. They just, if you listen to some of their stories, it will actually touch your heart.
I spent my first Halloween sober here since I was a way young teenager.
Well, you know, we are so appreciative for Tommy. He's a great example of what this is meant to do. But there's a lot of folks like Tommy that come on a regular basis. Just being able to get a shower changes a person's attitude in life, and it's so much fun to watch them come out of the shower stalls and they're smiling and they're looking up like, wow, this is great. And that's worth it. And getting some fresh clothes on. I know how much I appreciate some clean clothes. It makes a big difference.
Homeless is a great place to come and be clean and get fed and have some other people that you can hang out with. They also have, you know, the La Clinica that comes here and clothing services. So how amazing it was to find out that there's a place where I can take a shower, I can be fed, I can be clean, and I can still look for work. And that was really important to me. And this is all thanks to Jackson Care Connect. And we really appreciate everything that you guys do for us. These facilities are amazing. I love to come and be clean, you know, just like everybody else. It's a great place to come and just be with other people and to lift one another up.
We have a food pantry, we have a clothes pantry. And when we open this trailer on Friday mornings, then we have people that volunteer to put the tables out, pull all the clothes out. And then about 10 o'clock we open up to the public, and then they just go and help themselves with what clothes that they need.
This is our clothing trailer. We have a lot of fun with it. We have totes that are marked for women's clothes and men's clothes.
La Clinica came to us and I said, boy, you know, do we need to pay some money? What do we need to do? And they said, no, we want to do this. So we're just excited. And then,
so any chance that we can partner with anybody that has an event already going makes the mobile a lot more successful.
We're getting through the winter this year, but you know, anticipating the next winter, and you can see some of the work that's going on here now to expand it, and hopefully that will be moved forward.
And so we're excited about what we get to do. We know that we would not be where we are today without Jackson Care Connect and their interest. And I really believe that what we're doing in contact with them is helping save not only lives, but also money. Because if we can keep a guy like Tommy healthy, we can keep him from being in emergency rooms, which saves everybody money and then keeps everybody happy. So we're just excited about Jackson Care Connect's interest.
partnership together with Jackson Care Connect and the YMCA started about 2 years ago. And now 2 years later, there's 1,500 different people that the Y and Jackson Care Connect work together to help support in their pursuit of healthy living. And so that just brings me great joy.
So I'm involved with the 12 Weeks to a Healthier New You that's offered through the YMCA, and it was offered to me through Jackson Care Connect, and they are paying for the program in order for me to learn how to live a healthier and better lifestyle.
Jackson Care Connect gave me a wonderful opportunity and wanted to start a wellness program. So long story short, almost 2 years later, we are now into our 11th group. A little bit about the wellness program. It's 12 weeks of intense nutritional information, followed up with some behavioral type changes. We implement action plans for the participants, so when they're put in a high-risk situation, they'll know how to implement those action plans, followed along with good food choices and dietary needs and guidelines.
There's a lot of commitment. I mean, you have to keep journals and report to the Y twice a week. Besides the class, it's once a week. And but I just had come to that point that I had to. I took the bull by the horns and I just did it. And I have just, I guess, been accountable the entire time, not only to my trainer, but to myself. Made sure that I did everything that she taught me, did my journaling, kept track of the foods I was eating, and just did it because not only is it important for my health to make my life longer and more quality, but for my kids. You know, I can't expect them to live a healthy lifestyle if I'm not leading by example.
I think it's fine. Me too.
When she first started the program, Amy was very shy and very soft-spoken, and now she's boisterous and really involved with the entire group. It's just a neat thing to watch the self-esteem and the self-confidence come back to a lot of the participants that take the class.
So we started mid-January, and I have taken off 35 pounds as of this last Monday, and it's a total of like 21 inches. And when they first get you in there, the goal is 7% of your body weight, and I met that goal by week 5. And I'm going to meet my second goal probably by this coming Monday, which is another 7%. And she says she's never had somebody that has met that goal before, which is pretty great. It feels pretty awesome, and I haven't done anything different than what she told me to do. That's the difference, though, is that I'm not cheating.
Week 12, sorry, 12. Okay. So I do want to definitely start with Miss Amy. These are your certificates of completion of week 12. Come on up. Okay.
So it's extremely important. So many people could benefit from this. You know, it just has changed my life for the better. I feel fabulous.
We now see more folks that are 50 pounds or more overweight coming into the Y because they feel comfortable here, they feel welcomed here, and so the staff, the volunteers, and the other members of the Y have created an atmosphere where they just feel supported. Again, together with Jackson Care Connect, we've been able to provide a really supportive, welcoming environment that supports a wide variety of people.